আচ্ছা, আচ্ছা।
Calculate parameter.
இந்த ஆட்டோக்கு தான்
அனைவருக்கும் என் அன்பான வணக்கங்கள். மாணவ செல்வங்களே,
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
good evening, my dears.
குட் ஈவினிங் சார்.
Good evening, வணக்கம். Start பண்ணுவோம். Sorry for the delay. I was in another call. client call. அப்பாடா. நம்ம ஊருக்கு வந்தா திருப்தியா இருக்கு இல்ல? எல்லாம் வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணிக்கோ. Come fast, all of you. Quick. Soy Abhishek Madakan, Vignesh, Hari Prasad, Geeta Akka வாங்கோ. எப்படி போச்சு எல்லாருக்கும் சண்டே? சல்லுன்னு போயிட்டு
சண்டே போயிடுச்சு சார்.
ஜோலியா போச்சு சார்.
குட் ஈவினிங் சார்.
குட் ஈவினிங் வாங்க மேடம். இன்னும் வாய்ஸ் மாறல மேடம்.
இன்னும் அந்த அளவுக்கு ஃபுல்லா
ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா?
சார்
ஹோம்ஒர்க்லாம் பண்ணிட்டீங்களாப்பா? ரைஸ் பண்ணீங்களா? சதீஷ்ரா நைட் பேசலாம்டா. கொஞ்சம் அதர் ஒர்க்ல ஹெல்ட் அப் ஆயிட்டேன். இதுதானே கால் பண்ண சொன்னீங்க?
இல்ல சார்,
வேற யாருப்பா அதை மாற்றி பேசுறேன்னு தட்டு பேசணும்னு சொல்லியிருந்தேன். மெசேஜ் போட்டிருந்தேன். சரி செக். We are in standard costing. Expectation minus actual is equal to variance. That is standard minus actual is equal to variance. Organization's expectation and what is actually happening, what has actually happened may not be the same. Why the difference has arises? The differential analysis is called variance analysis. That's why expectation minus actual is equal to variance. Based on impact on profit, the variance can be classified into two types. One is called favorable variance, another one is adverse variance. Because of the difference, because of the variance, profit is increased means that is called favorable variance. Profit get affected, decrease, or we are incurring loss being that it is called adverse variance. Variance we can broadly classify into two types with respect to types of variance. One is income approach, another one is expenditure approach. Under income side, we are having only one variance called sales variance. Whereas in expenditure, material variance, labor variance, variable overhead variance, fixed overhead. So these are all the variants are there. Now we are going to see expenditure side variance. Whenever you come across variance analysis, you have to remember the rules to solve variance analysis. Rule number 1, identification of variance and draw the respective chart. Rule number 2, filling the blanks. First, question after reading the question, you have to identify what variance கேட்டிருக்கான். So apply the same strategy. Apply பண்ணு. If you are going to adopt the same strategy, quickly we can complete any problem. Within less time, you can complete. Without any mistake, you can complete. This is the easiest way to solve standard costing. How you learn the tricks to solve process costing. All are comfortable in process costing or not? A flow complicated problem, irrespective of the complexity involved in the problem. You know how to tally, how to prepare the process of it. Am I right or not? You learn the strategy. Tricks. Same manner. Standard costing also, how to approach. You have to adopt my rules. Rule number 1,
Identification of variance.
Identification of variance and draw the respective chart.
and rule number 2, filling the
Filling the blanks.
Filling the blanks.
by way of solving the problem. I'll explain. Okay. Go to problem number 1. Satish.
Sir.
Standard cost in the questions இருக்கு இல்லையா
இருக்கு.
அந்த PDF chat box. ரூபஸ்ரீ ஹரிபிரசாத் நடத்துட்டு. யா யார் படிக்கிறேன்? ஹரிப்பிரியா பண்றாங்க.
Yes, sir. Vinayak Limited manufactures a single product, the standard mix of which is material X 60% at rupees 20 per kg, material Y 40% at rupees 10 per kg. Normal loss in production is 20% of input. Actual results for a week were as follows. Material X 210 kilogram at rupees 20, rupees 4,200. Material Y 190 kg at rupees 9,710. Input 400 kgs 5,910. Loss 70 kgs nil rupees. Output 330 kgs rupees 5,910. Calculate material price, mix and yield variance.
Go through the question quickly. என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கான் question first பாருங்க. ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா?
Yes, sir.
ஹரிபிரசாத் ரூபஸ்ரீ PDF வந்துச்சாங்கண்ணா? Listen here. So all of you repeat. Rule number 1 to solve the problem ADS.
Identification of variance and draw the respective chart.
The first rule, okay? Identification of variance and draw the respective chart.
Respective chart.
Listen here, my dears. I need 100% concentration. If you learn the first problem correct, if you learned first problem pakka, remaining problem same fashion, control C, control V only, copy paste only are going to do. எப்போதுமே beginning of the class always should be very alert. அப்பதான் intro கொடுப்போம். That time only concept you share. Clear? The first problem only you make it to the line of what and the strategy பிடிக்க முடியும். You can be in the point line to the definite topic. So the first problem you should be very careful. If you can understand the first problem easily, the remaining problems and all very easy for. Or with me or not? Therefore, I need full concentration. Whenever you come across standard costing, read the question and identify what variance they asked. In this question, they ask material variance. In examination, tell me material variance, or labor variance, or variable overhead variance, or fixed overhead variance, or combination of more than one variance. Possibilities there or not? First step, identify. What is there in this question? I will identify. Now we understood this question is purely based on material variance, raw material related variance. Okay, Srishti, are you comfortable?
Okay, sir.
Okay. In this question, full material related variance, we are going to solve. Second rule, immediately we have to draw the respective chart. What about the chart? Material cost variance can be classified into material price variance and usage variance. Usage variance again classified into mix variance and yield variance. Variance sub-classification. Formula 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4, 4 minus 3, 3 minus 2. This is the formula. 1, 2, 3, 4 represent. 1 represents standard quantity
Standard
into
quantity.
standard price.
Standard price.
Actual quantity into actual price.
Actual
Actual
price.
quantity into standard price.
Standard
Revised
price.
actual quantity
Revised
into
actual
standard
quantity into
is
standard
what 1,
price.
2, 3, 4 represent. Okay, repeat பண்ணலாமா? So that மனசுக்குள்ள போய்க்கும். So material
sir.
cost variance
sir.
can be classified into what and what?
Material price variance,
Variance,
material
material
usage
usage variance.
variance.
எனர்ஜியே இல்லாம சொல்லக்கூடாது. அழகா ஜம்முன்னு சொல்லணும். Material cost variance can be classified into what and what?
Material
Material
price
price variance,
variance,
material usage variance.
Variance.
Usage variance again classified into
material
Material mix
variance,
variance,
material
material
mix
yield
material
variance.
yield
yield
variance.
variance.
yield variance. இல்லையா? Formula 1 minus 2.
1 minus 2,
1 minus 3,
1
1
minus
minus
4,
4.
1 minus
4
4,
minus 3,
4 minus 3, 3
3 minus 2.
2.
3 minus 2.
இல்லையா கணம்? 1, 2, 3, 4 represent
1
Standard quantity into
Standard
standard
quantity into
quantity.
standard price.
2
Actual
actual
quantity
quantity
into
into
actual
Represents
Quantity
actual
into
actual
actual
quantity,
price.
actual price.
3
3
Actual
actual
quantity
quantity
actual
into
quantity
standard
into standard
price.
quantity
price.
into standard
4
price.
revised
4
actual
Revised actual
quantity
actual
Into
quantity
standard
into
price.
standard price.
Okay, the whole section video should be on la da irukum. You have to respond properly, then only you can learn. Understood? Now study
Yes.
start. In this question, how many materials are there, my dears?
X,
Two materials,
X
Two
and Y.
materials. What are they?
X, Y.
X and Y.
and Y.
So we are going
And
to
Y,
solve
sir.
the problem for X and Y. Am I right?
Y.
Yes, sir.
90% of the problem, second column info will be there in the question paper itself. எல்லா எக்ஸாம் பேப்பர்லையும் பார்த்தோம்னா செகண்ட் காலம் இன் ஜெனரல் 90% அதுல இருக்கும். What is second column? Actual quantity into actual.
Actual price.
Actual quantity represent actual quantity of raw material consumption. The actual price represent almost a price per kg or purchase price per kg of raw material. Are you with me or not?
Yes,
Actual
sir.
quantity which is given in this question. Rubastream, kindly refer the question and tell how much the actual quantity of raw material X consumption. Unmute பண்ணிட்டு டக் டக்குன்னு சொல்லு. எல்லாம் ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணணும்.
40%.
No, டக்குன்னா actual quantity. எவ்வளவு
Actual,
during this month, how much they give?
so 210 kgs for 20 rupees. That is for
210 actual quantity and Y
190 kgs.
190 kg. Available or not, my dears, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So actual
sir.
quantity. Here also actual quantity there. I'm refilling the same third column also. 210 and 190.
190.
I have been filling the blanks only. Easy or not? What data
Yes, sir.
I'm going to question that I'm going to park it in the respective place. So now actual quantity is over. Next, Haran, can you please tell me what about the actual price of raw material given in this question? Price in rupees. Actual
Yes, sir. 29, sir.
20.
20 and
9, sir.
easy or not?
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Sabari, what about the standard
sir.
price per kg of raw material given? Standard price per kg.
20 and 10, sir.
20 and 10 agana.
Yes, sir.
20.
Yes, sir.
Here also standard price 20 and
10.
10.
10.
Here also standard price is 20 and
20. 10.
10.
so up to this stage, what are all the data available in this question? We did the filling the blanks only. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have picked the information from the question, we parked it in the respective place. Up to this stage, easy or not?
Yes, sir.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
Now, after all, we have to compute the two elements alone. What are the two elements you have to compute?
Standard quantity.
Standard quantity and
quantity
revised
revised
actual
actual
quantity.
The two things only you have to compute. Now, first I would like to compute revised actual quantity. That's the easiest one. Revised actual quantity. What do you mean by revised actual quantity? Revising the actual quantity is called revised actual quantity. Revising the actual quantity is called revised actual quantity. If you want to revise the actual quantity, you need actual quantity. Then only you can revise. So what about
Yes.
the actual quantity of X and Y? Actual quantity of X comes to 210 kgs. Am I right?
210.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Y comes to 190 kg.
190.
Therefore, total actual quantity comes to how much?
400.
400.
400.
400, sir.
400 kgs. Total actual quantity comes to 400 kgs.
400 kgs.
That actual quantity we have to revise. How to revise? In standard proportion. We are having only two elements. One actual, one standard. Yeah. So actually, we are going to revise based on standard. What about the standard mix given in this question?
60%, 40%.
40%,
40%.
60:40 ratio. You have to apportion. Clear, Kanna?
Yes, sir.
So apportion 400 kgs in the ratio of 60:40.
240,
240.
240.
160.
160.
160.
240 kgs and 160.
160 kgs.
Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Revised actual quantity.
240
240 kgs of raw material X and
160.
160.
kgs.
160 kgs of raw material. Got the clarity or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I repeat or are you comfortable?
Yes, comfortable, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Revising the actual quantity in standard mix is called revised actual quantity. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Next we have to find standard
Standard
quantity.
quantity.
Standard quantity.
Next important working note, standard quantity. Is the most important working note. 90% of the people will commit the mistake only in standard quantity. While doing the valuation, process costing, answer wrong. Out of 10 papers, whoever did wrongly, 9 papers, standard quantity, they will commit the mistake only in standard quantity. Are you able to follow or not? Therefore, this is a dangerous.
sir.
This alone you
Yes,
should
sir.
have to concentrate. Because up to this stage, very easy, you know very well. Right? Filling the blanks, revised actual quantity also a simple one. Right? Chance of committing mistake is very, very, very high only in standard quantity. So you should learn how to compute standard quantity. Now, standard quantity represent expected quantity is called standard quantity. Edirbarku standard. Expected quantity of what? Raw material. Because you are in material costing. Expected quantity of raw material required for needed. Okay, required for actual production. Expected quantity of raw material required for actual production is called standard quantity. All of you repeat what is called standard quantity? Expected
Quantity of raw material required for actual production.
Actual production.
Repeat one more time. Expected quantity of
Quantity of raw material for actual production.
Or
Actual production.
the word standard always ends with actual.
Ends with actual production.
Actual production.
Yes, sir.
So the word standard always ends with actual production.
Actual production.
Now, if you see the beauty, the expected quantity of raw material required for actual production. The expected quantity of raw material represent input. Raw material is the input. Actual production represent
Output.
Output.
so the relationship between
Input output.
input to output is called standard. The relationship between input to output is called what? Standard.
Standard.
Always remember, always the word standard always ends with actual production. I have produced the product. To produce the product, how much raw material is supposed to consume? That expectation is called standard. Now got the clarity or not?
Yes, sir.
You may have consumed extra also or less also, but how much is supposed to consume? That is called standard. Now got the clarity? Product produce consume, that is called standard. Are you with me? Now,
Yes, sir.
up to this stage,
Yes,
are you
sir.
comfortable? Computation
Yes, sir.
part I'm going. Now we got the concept theory. Now we are going for computation part. The relationship between input and output is called standard. In this question, we are having two input, raw material X and raw material Y, out of which we are going to get the output. Clear, Akana? Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
expectation and standard. Okay, standard for reworking with action. Expected quantity of raw material X, how much they consume? 60%. Clear, Akana?
Yes, sir.
Raw material, how much they supposed to consume? 40%.
40%.
So expected raw material 60%, expected raw material Y 40%. Therefore, what could be the expected output? Expected output. Expected raw
Loss
material
இருக்கு.
60%, expected raw material Y 40%. What could be the expected output? Ruban.
100%.
240, 160.
கேட்கறது பதில் சொல்லு, கேட்டு பதில் சொல்லு. எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷன் கேட்கிறேன், ஆக்சுவல் கேட்கல. Expected raw material X 60%, expected raw material Y 40%. Mean what would be the expected output?
100%.
100 இருக்காது. During the process loss will be there. No, input may not equal to output. Clear? Any process loss, expected loss, normal loss is there in this question.
20%.
Yes, sir.
20%, 20%, sir.
Therefore, what could be the expected output, my dears?
80%.
80%.
Logic புரியுதா இல்லையா? Remember the process costing. We are giving 100%
Okay.
input. During the process loss போக, expected loss போக, balance only the output. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
I will repeat once again. In organization standards, expected raw material at 60%, expected raw material Y 40%, expected loss 20%, balance is equal to expected output. Got the clarity, Ganna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, the word, even if you want to understand in another manner, in this question, there's a percentage. Am I right? Clear?
Yes.
The percentage is not the criteria. We need the numbers only, proportionate numbers only. Next question will be expected raw material like 60 kgs, Y 40 kgs, output is equal to 80 kgs. Another question, 60 liters, 40 liters, 80 liters. Every one or with me or not? That is not our criteria. 60, 40, 100, clear? Proportionate பண்ண போறோம். It may be in percentage, it may be in kg, it may be in liters. Clear? Always the word standard ends with one expectation for actual production. How much the actual production given in this question?
210.
330, sir.
Actual production of finished goods.
Finished goods. Output
330, sir.
330.
330
330
30 kgs.
Very good, Hari Prasad. புரியுதா இல்லையா? Production mean finish. எல்லாம் கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணிப்பாங்க. Actualனா raw material இருக்கு, finished goods இருக்கு. Clear? You are getting raw material to finished goods confusion. Here 210 and 190 is a what? Raw material.
Raw material.
Correct.
But we are talking about finished goods. Are you able to follow on?
Finished.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Raw material is different, finished goods is different. Right or not? So,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
expected raw material, expected output comes to 330 units. Got the clarity? Therefore,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
if you can want to remember, to produce 80 units of output, I need 60 kgs of raw material X and 40 kgs of raw material Y. Am I right or not? It may be
Yes,
units of
Yes, sir.
liters, okay? Or if you want to produce 80 liters of output, I need 60 liters of raw material X and 40 liters of raw material Y. Am I right?
Hmm.
And if you want to
Yes,
put
sir.
80 tons of output, I need 60 tons of raw material X and 40 tons of raw material Y. Clear? Now, if I want to produce 80 output, I need 60 raw material X. If I have produced 330 output, what could be the raw material X supposed to consume?
247.5,
80
sir.
60 na 330 க்கு எவ்வளவு cross multiplication இல்லடா கண்ணா அப்ப 330 into 60
60
by
divided
80 இல்லடா கண்ணா
80. Yes, sir.
80 க்கு 60 kg mean 330 how much proportionately how much 247.
247.5.
Very good. Got the clarity?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Same
sir.
for Y, compute and tell.
165.
எல்லாம் கண்டுபிட் பண்ணுங்க கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுங்க ஜெயந்த்
165.
165, sir.
165.
165, sir.
330 into 40
40 divided by 80.
comes to 165. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Computation easy or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
100% costing, standard costing வரும். Common mistake in this area என்னன்னா many of them என்ன பண்ணிருவாங்கன்னா 247.5 போட்டு balance is equal to order y னு போட்டுருவோம். 330 minus 247.5 is equal to how much balance? 330.
82.5, sir.
82.5.
82.5, sir.
Remember one thing, இது ரெண்டும் tally ஆகாது. இது x and y is input, this is output. We can't match it during the
Yes,
last
sir.
procedure. Therefore,
Okay,
balancing
sir.
ஏற்படக்கூடாது. Or you got the correct or not? Input is different, output is different. Everybody want to match with 330 out of which 247 is x mean. Balance is equal to input முடியாது. Because that is the input, the 330 is the output. For the clarity, proportionately have to compute.
Yes.
Expected quantity of raw material required for actual production. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This particular part, computation, you should be careful. For your kind info, all the problems, first problem to last problem, same format only I'm going to adopt. Numbers only I'm going to change. All the past exam questions, same format only I'm going to adopt. Numbers only I'm going to change. Therefore, don't change the diagram as it is. So that one time put a kathantana, thereafter just like the filling the blanks only, right or not? So standardized manner, we are going to learn standard costing. Understand? Standardized manner, we are going to learn standard costing. Up to this stage, are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Up to this stage, if you comfortable means entire standard costing over, sir. That's all, sir. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
all are comfortable 247 and 165? Sure.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hari Prasad, Ruber Sheikh Purjada. Good. So here,
Yes, sir.
247.5 and 165. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, kindly make a total. Each column, kindly make a total. First column, right now. Pick.
Yes, sir. First come correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second column, check it up.
84.
910, sir. Correct, sir.
Third column,
Correct.
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
2000.
Fourth column, right, sir.
Okay, sir.
Correct, sir.
good column. எல்லாம் செக் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 1 minus 2 is equal to material variance. 6,600 minus 5,910 is equal to
690,
690,
sir.
sir.
answer
Favorable.
positive, negative.
Favors. No, positive, sir.
Positive means not right. Favorable.
Favorable.
1 minus 3 is equal to 6,600 minus 6,600 is
500, sir.
500. Yeah.
500.
500 favorable.
Sir.
1 minus 4, 6,600 minus 6,400 is equal to
200.
200.
Favorable.
Favorable.
Favor.
4 minus 3, 6,400 minus
300.
6,400 is equal to
300.
300.
300 favorable.
Favorable.
3 minus 2, 6,100 minus 5,910 is equal to
190.
190.
190 favorable.
Favorable,
sir.
Favorable.
kindly check it up. 190 favorable plus 500 favorable is equal to 690
690 favorable. Correct, sir.
இதெல்லாம் add பண்ணா total tally ஆகும். 300 favorable plus 200
Plus
favorable.
200
favorable. பண்ணா
500. Favorable.
500 favorable.
190 favorable plus 300 favorable plus 200 favorable is equal to 690 favorable.
690 favorable.
690 favorable.
So for your verification, price variance plus usage variance should equal to cost variance.
Okay, sir.
Fixed variance plus yield variance is equal to usage variance.
Usage variance.
Price
Yes, sir.
variance plus mix variance plus yield variance is equal to cost variance. It has to tally.
Cost variance.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
In examination, everything out to write rupees 690. Otherwise, half more reduce பண்ணுவோம். Always have to start with what? Rupees 500.
Rupees.
Rupees போடணும். Got it?
Yes, sir.
100 cost easier இருக்கா? Manageable இருக்கா at least?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
சார்
எஸ் சார்.
சார்
சொல்லுங்கம்மா.
இப்ப இந்த சார்ட் போட்டுட்டு இந்த நம்பர் எழுதி இது மாதிரி எழுதுறோம் சார், இதே மாதிரியே போஸ்ட் பண்ணிடலாம்ல சார்? லைக் ஃபார்முலா எழுதி தான் எழுதணும்.
நேற்று சொன்னேன், as it is you can take.
ஓகே
After completion of this, rupees போடணும். Thereafter you have to write where SQ is equal to AQ is equal to.
அதெல்லாம்
அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஓகே
Fully
ஓகே
accepted part.
ஓகே
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
அந்த சார்ட்டுக்கு வந்து ஃபுல் ஃபார்ம் எழுத சொன்னீங்க சார். அதுக்கு ஃபுல் ஃபார்ம் மெட்டீரியல் காஸ்ட்.
ஃபுல்லா எழுதணும்.
Okay.
MCQ போடக்கூடாது. எக்ஸாம்ல RF எழுதுனா திரும்ப கீழே எழுது.
ஓகே
MCV is equal to material cost variance.
ஓகே
ஒன்றும் இல்லை, சின்ன லாஜிக் தான். இஃப் யூ ஆர் பையிங் த டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் ஆர் இன்ஸ்டியூட் மெட்டீரியல், இஃப் த யூசர் அப்சர்வேஷன் alone you may not able to understand. இல்லையா? thereafter you expect அது என்னங்கிற எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் பார்க்கணும். அதே மாதிரி presentation should be there, the example easy only. No,
எஸ்
அது உனக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கான உங்களுக்கு தெரியண்டா. kindly copy.
Completed.
No, sir.
அப்ளை பண்ணியாச்சா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் போலாமா?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
மகேஷ் படிங்க சார். நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின்.
கேக்குதா சார்?
In a process, three raw materials are mixed together to produce a product. The standard mix of inputs required to produce 160 kgs of finished product is as under. Raw material A in kgs 100, price per kg 150. B 60 kgs 200, price per kg. C 40 kgs 250. During May 2013, the company produced 920 kgs of output and the actual consumption of raw materials was as under. Raw material A in kgs 595, price per kg 140. B 530 kgs, price per kg 212. C 255 kgs, price per kg 270. Find out the material yield and mix variance respectively for May 2013.
ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you come across standard costing, you have to remember the rules to solve the problem. What is the rule number 1, my dears?
Identification of variance and draw the chart.
Draw the respective chart. Rule number 2,
Fill in the blanks.
Fill in the blanks.
filling the blanks. Clear again? Now, can you please find in this question how many materials are there?
A, B, C.
ABC.
Three.
How many materials are there, my dears?
Three.
Three, sir.
3 materials. What are all them?
A, B,
A,
S.
B, C.
That's all. Am I right? So now, previous question 2 material was there. Am I right? A, X and Y. Here instead of 2 materials, 3 materials.
3 materials.
Can you please try? First try பண்றீங்களா? Thereafter you'll
Yes,
solve the problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember, if at all mean, you will commit the mistake only in standard quantity. So what to do? Take the previous problem chart as it is. எல்லாமே போடு. Don't change your own format. மாத்தாது. If you do the previous problem as it is and you are going to filling the blanks carefully, proportionately, you will get the correct answer. Will you try?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Quick upward,
Yes, sir.
maximum 5 minutes. Fast.
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
முடிச்சாச்சா கண்ணுங்களா?
Sir,
Sir,
sir.
1 minute, sir.
Try பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Time is up.
Oh, sir. 1 minute, sir. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, எல்லாமே அட்வர்ஸா சார்?
ஆமாண்டா. Yes. Correct.
Sir.
Yes, correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Verify பண்ணுவோமா? All of you.
Thank you, sir.
How many materials are there?
3, sir.
A,
Three, sir.
B, C. Actual quantity of raw material A, consumption of raw material A, how much? Second paragraph.
595, sir.
595,
595,
330,
330,
255.
255. The actual quantity. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Here also actual quantity 595. We can refill it.
Yes, sir. 595, 330, 255.
And
255.
255.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
255, sir. Second.
Actual price per kg of ABC.
140.
40, 212, 212, 270.
And
270.
standard price
150,
150,
200,
200, 250.
250.
here also standard price 150,
200.
200, 250.
here also standard price 150, 200,
200, 250.
250.
you have to compute standard quantity and the revised actual quantity.
Yes, sir.
Revised actual quantity is very easy. First I will complete this. Revising the actual quantity in standard proportion is called revised actual quantity. Actual quantity of A, B, 595,
330,
330,
255.
255.
and 255. So total actual quantity comes to
1180.
180.
that we have to apportion among A,
A,
B,
B,
C.
B, C.
in 100 is to 60 is to 40 daga
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
portion that ratio
590
590,
354,
354,
236. 236.
236.
54 and
236.
36.
590,
354.
354,
354,
and
236.
36.
up to this stage chance of committing mistake very less, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many of you did up to this stage correctly? Correct. Thumbs up. Very good.
Yes.
Many students, even in examination, they'll commit the mistake in first column. They wrote 160, 14. How many of you wrote 160?
Yes. Yes, sir.
That is not the standard. Standard always you have to work with what? Rework with actual. Yeah.
Actual.
Actual product.
Okay. That is 160, 40 is for producing how many units? First paragraph, first line.
Produce one.
160 kg.
160 kg, sir.
Produce 160 kgs. I need raw material, expected raw material X 100 kg. Expected raw material to be 60 kg.
60.
And expected raw
C
material
வந்து 40.
40.
40.
It is producing 160 kgs. But we have to rework with the actual. How much the actual production? The word standard always ends with actual production. How much actual?
920.
920, sir.
920. For 160, we need 100 units. Mean 920. How much we need? Cross multiplication.
575.
Into 100 divided by 160.
160.
575.
575.
345.
345.
237.
230.
237.
How many of you found standard quantity correctly? Satish, very good. Haran. Good. Hereafter, it should not commit the mistake. Srishti, another point on
Yes, sir.
the word standard always ends with for actual quantity. 575.
345. 230.
237.
B Kalupa.
Week வந்து
345, sir.
sir.
Kindly make a total for the first column.
212,750. 750, sir.
12,750.
sir.
Next.
222,110.
110, sir.
219,000. 110, sir. Second
110.
column.
110, sir. 110.
110. 219,000. 218,300.
300.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minus 2 is equal to
Adverse
9,360.
9,360.
9,360.
60.
Adverse.
Adverse
1 minus 3 is equal to
6,250 adverse.
6,250.
1 minus 4 is equal to
5,550 adverse.
5,550 adverse.
ಎಲ್ಲ rupees pon. Okay. Mix
Ah,
variance
photo,
is equal to 4 minus 3.
700 adverse.
700. sir.
700 adverse, sir.
Next.
3,100.
3,110,
100 is
sir.
110, sir.
1
10, sir.
10, sir.
adverse. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
3,001. Got the correct. Now check the price plus usage is equal to cost variance or not.
Verification also correct, sir.
Mix and yield also is equal to usage variance. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Copy. Rubastream, Hari Prasad, Vignesh,
Yes, sir.
Christine, Abhishek, எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா கண்ணா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. புரியுது.
Vijay, മനസ്സിലായോ?
മനസ്സിലായി ബട്ട്
ഇട്ട് ബട്ട് ഇട്ടത്
சார் ஹாப்பியா இருக்கு சார். முடிச்சுக்குவோம்.
குட் கண்ணா, குட் கண்ணா. கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியாச்சா கண்ணா?
Yes, sir.
So,
All of you?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty?
No, sir.
Honestly, you can say how many of you fully comfortable? The variant. Computation part is
Yes.
that's
சார்
all.
எக்ஸாமுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி டைரக்ட் தானே வரும் சார்?
The past exam question illa.
சரி.
Now, are you comfortable?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You see, I solved only one problem. The very next problem you can able to solve. Right, Aran?
Yes, sir.
The manner you have to learn this. You can see it in very places. Almost what half a month they'll take the standard costing itself. Ask the student to solve even a simple problem, they don't know how to start the problem itself. Understood? Professional examination concern, how many problems you are going to solve is purely material. How many varieties of the problem you have learned, that is important. Understood logic or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear? The satisfaction you have to get by way of, yes, என்னால ஒரு problem போட முடியுது. Per day we are following 5-6 problem. Again, you are doing 5-6 problem as a homework question. Out of 5 to 6 problem in homework question, at least 3 to 4 problem you can solve it on your own. Am I right or not? Remaining 2 problem, you know what mistake after seeing the answer. Oh, this mistake பண்ணிருக்கேன் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியுது. That satisfaction only make you to clear the examination. Mere coming to the class and going clear, there is no use at all. Irrespective of the number of hours you have spent with the faculty, there is no use. Understand? Quantitative teaching is not important. Qualitative learning is important. Now, it slowly become, even the professional examination, become okay, quantitative important. Because நிறைய practice பண்ணும். It's a beginning stage. இல்லையா? Similar problem, number மாத்தியே போட்டுருப்போம். 60, 40, 40, 60, 80, 20. இதே மாதிரி நிறைய மாத்தி போட்டு போகும். But you need to practice. அந்த stage வேற. Right or not? And moreover, similar question will come in the examination also. Right or not? There is no much difficulty. அதே மாதிரி practice பண்ணாலே போதும். But அதே practice பண்ண மாட்டாங்க காலேஜ் பசங்க. ஜாலியா இருந்து விட்டுருவாங்க. But professional examination, you know, even if you are going to solve 100 problem per topic, 101 problem only will appear in the main examination. New probability only will come. Appa, as much as possible, you have to learn what varieties of the problem. Once after learned one problem, similar question, past exam question, yes, I'm able to solve. And the confidence on the chale, confirmed pass करना. But daily basis you get the satisfaction by way of what? Learn. அதை நீ இன்வால்வ் ஆகும்போது உனக்கே புரியும். எஸ், ஐ லேர்ன்டு சம்திங். அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்? தட்ஸ் வை always with respect to teaching concern, faculty is not for the purpose of impressing the student, but for the purpose of expressing the knowledge. But if you see, off late it has been diluted. Faculty purely for the purpose of impressing the student, not for expressing the knowledge, and they want to give the quantitative. நான் எவ்வளவு கொடுக்குறேன் பார் அப்படின்னு. Standard costing 110 problem, marginal costing 80 problem, process costing 60 problem. Day paper examination ஒரு டாபிக் முடிக்க முடியாது. 100 problem போட்டா day paper examination வேற ஏதோ क्वेश्चन டர்ன் பண்ண கூட முடியாது பேஜ். 9 months 8 months கிளாஸ்ல சூப்பரா பொறுமையா சொல்லி கொடுத்துடலாம் புரியுற மாதிரி. But the main game is what? The main picture is day before the examination you have to revise entire syllabus. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? சேம் ப்ராப்ளம் ஒரு 10 ப்ராப்ளம் போறேன், மெட்டீரியல் வேரியன்ட் சிமிலர் டைப் போறேன்னு. நீ எக்ஸாம் போகும்போது மெட்டீரியல் வேரியன்ஸ் பார்ப்ப, லேபர் வேரியன்ஸ் பார்ப்ப, அது 25 வருஷம் ப்ராப்ளம் ஆயிடும். அதுக்குள்ள நைட் ஆயிடும், டயர்ட் ஆயிடுவேன். எக்ஸாம் போகும், ஓவர் ஹெட் வேரியன்ஸ் கேட்பான். நம்ம என்ன வாட் வி ஆர் நாட் ஸ்டடி தட் ஒன்லி வில் கம் ஃபார் தி எக்ஸாமினேஷன். அது உனக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும், யூ மைட் லேர்ன்ட், பட் யூ டோன்ட் ஹேவ் தி டைம் டு ரிவைஸ். மீன் சைக்காலஜிக்கல் இல்னஸ், ஐயோ தெரியலையே மறந்து போச்சு. வாட் எவர் யூ லேர்ன்ட் ஆல்சோ யூ ஃபர்கெட். அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்? ஸோ குவான்டிட்டிக்கு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொடுக்காது. Quality of the problem you have to improve. More and more varieties of the problem. 10 problem போடுறியா, 10 variety you have to learn. Even during the joint study also I'm telling. Even if you want to prepare, yes sir, process costing புரியல, 100 problem போடணும், 100 variety போடு. Don't solve what 100 problem. Mere counting is not important. Understand logic or not? Clear? அப்ப அது மாதிரி எழுத போகணும். Even theory also, how many pages you wrote, quantity is not important. இந்த டிகிரில தான் quantity wise பார்ப்போம், எவ்வளவு பேஜ் இருக்கு அப்படின்ட்டு. But here, how many bullet points you have learned? How many points? Each bullet point is equal to one valid point. Right? அப்ப 10 பேஜ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் எழுதக்கூடாது. ஒரு 10 bullet point எழுதினா you'll get score the mark. Each point carries half mark to 1 mark. அப்ப you have to sit and revise point number 1, point number 2, point number 3 இது எழுதலாம் அதெல்லாம். அப்ப ஒவ்வொரு பாயிண்ட், each and every point is a valid point. நீ paragraph எழுதினா readers also will get that boring ஆயிடும். And you know, thereafter will create your own story. Active voice, passive voice, passive voice, active voice, மாத்தி எழுதுவேன். Previous page, next page எழுதுவேன், திரும்ப எழுதுவேன். Clear? Examiner also knows what and all mistake will commit. Understood? ஏதாவது ஒரு தப்பு இருந்தா போதும், எல்லாம் ஸ்டார்னு ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரைக் அடிச்சு போயிட்டே இருப்பான். ரிமைனிங் 2-3 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் நல்லா இருக்கும். பட் you may not going to get them. புல்லட் பாயிண்ட் வைஸ் எழுதினா எஸ் பர்சன் கரெக்டா எழுதிருக்கான், பாயிண்ட் இருக்கவுன்ட்டு பாயிண்ட் அடிச்சிருக்கான்டா அப்படின்னு மார்க் கிடைக்கும். Therefore, writing professional examination is an art. You should know how to crack the examination. Clear? Concentrate பண்ணி படி, ஹாப்பியா படி, easily can clear the examination. Are you with me or not? Clear? Various places I am going as a trainer for the faculties, faculty development program. It was happened in one particular place. The professors and the teachers told, no sir, whatever the manner we are going to take the class, students are not gel with the faculty. Current generation and all not concentrating the class itself. Clear? Ella technology addict ஆயிட்டாங்க. Clear? Or to Gen Z people, utter waste. They started to criticize it. Internet said, yes, of course. It's every time it's happening. When we are on student, I'm a previous faculty used to scold like that. Nada passing. It's a generation after generation, the next generation they are having the habit of scolding. But that's not the right approach. Their stage, their view is correct. This is called a generation gap. Understood? We, as a faculty, we should have to come down to that level and feed them. Are you with me or not? How we have to transfer the knowledge, that's not we have to learn. Mere blaming the students, there is no use at all. Understood? அப்ப நமக்கு எப்படி இந்த சாப்பாடை கொடுக்கணும், அந்த ஃபிட் நாலேஜ் ஃபுட் ஃபார் தாட் எப்படி கொடுக்கணும்னு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். we have to modify, either we should be updated, there is another go out, otherwise we can't afford to survive in the field. Clear? one ஜமீன்தார், அவருக்கு ஒரு நாய் இருந்து, பெரிய பெட் டாக், வெரி பிக் டாக். wherever he go along with that particular dog only. Everyone knows how much a love and affection he is having with the dog. One day the dog was not feeling well. Almost 1 week பயங்கர sick ஆயிடுது. தின்னா எண்டே வருது, டே பை டே size also getting reduced. He started worrying. My own beloved dog, pet dog, clear? That Monday saw போதும் பயமா இருக்கு அப்படின்னு he called all the servants, do something, இதா பண்ணணும். One servant told, sir, ஒரு 5 village தாண்டி one person is there to create the medicine for the dog. Those days and all, there is no the doctors எல்லாம் இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, pet hospital எல்லாம் கிடையாது. So we can go and get, I will go and get the medicines. Okay, எவ்வளவு சொல்லலாம் பரவாயில்ல போடா அப்படின்னு வண்டியை கட்டின்னு போறான். 2 days traveling time. Thereafter, that person has to create the medicine. Then, you know, they have to go to forest, they'll collect all the herbals, leaves, இலையெல்லாம் கொண்டு வந்து பொடி பண்ணி காய வச்சு சம்திங் தான் பண்ணி almost 10 days I had returned back to what? The place. The next problem, how to give the medicine to the dog. சோறு கொடுத்தாலே கஷ்டம். அது பெட் டாக்லாம் மெடிசன் கொடுக்க ரொம்ப ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் இல்லையா? How to feed that medicine, that's the next task. He called the 4 to 5 servants. All of them catch hold of one leg. ஒருத்தர் ஒரு காலை பிடிச்சுங்க. One person has to what? வாயை பிடிச்சுக்கோ. And I will feed the medicine. Otherwise medicine ஊத்த முடியாது. At the time of started giving the medicine, வாயில ஊத்துறம் போது இன்னும் நாயோட ஒரு சிலிப்பும் ஒரு கட்டுப்பாச்சுனா அது சிலிப்புனது பாரு, ஜம்ப் பண்ணி it's run away from the place. Medicine has fell down, bottle broke out. Ella medicine which was there, they waste of it. He started crying also. He's not even ready to understand what purpose I am giving the medicine. May not able to understand my what love and affection. For nothing spoiled pannittu. Thereafter confirmed death only, because again if you want to go and come back and create the medicine, bringing it back another 10 days.
10 days.
Biggest question mark. He started crying also. Okay, but within few minutes dog came back, started eating their medicine. Nakki சாப்பிட ஆரம்பிச்சு கீழ விழுந்ததெல்லாம். Now story அவ்வளவுதான். The moral of the story is, dog is not hating the medicine, dog is hating the way in which you are giving the medicine. Gen Z students are not hating the subject. Current generation people are not hating the subject. They have started hating the subject, the way in which you are providing the subject. Understand logic or not? Yes or no? Keep on monotonously பேசிட்டு இருக்க வேண்டியது, or keep on what PowerPoint slide வச்சு படிக்க வேண்டியது. Nowadays what, if you know English, more than sufficient to take the class. PPT will be there, you don't need to carry anything. Keep on, you can water. Okay, read. In between one story, created one story or a joke, okay, or activity சொல்லிட்டு ஏதா ஜம்ப் பண்ணி குதி இத பண்ண வேண்டியது. Class over. That's all. This is the manner many classes are happening. Clear? Or another way can think, if one person as a one faculty unable to carry one subject properly, how can we expect the student to remember all the papers to remember and write the examination? I am preparing only one subject now, cost not again. ஒரு பேப்பர் எனக்கு வச்சுக்க துப்பு இல்லைன்னா, என் மனசுல வச்சுன்னு சொல்லி தர துப்பு இல்லை, நான் ஆல்வேஸ் ரெஃபரிங், ஓகே பிபிடியை பார்ப்பான் அதே அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணி எல்லாமே எழுதுறேன். Clear? How can I expect as a coach student will remember all the 7 papers or 8 papers in examination? How it is practically possible? That is so many years I am taking the same subject only. என்னாலே வச்சுக்க முடியல. Then whether I am fit to be a faculty or not is the biggest question. How can I give training to the others? Are able to follow or not? Clear? So how to learn the subject, that's an art. The Dharmashastra tools, so 2 விஷயம் சொல்லுவாங்க, 2 info. Getting good guru. Okay? நீ புண்ணியம் பண்ண தான் கிடைக்கும். You have to get a lot of punya. Many people wanted to learn, but finding the right person is the biggest question mark. Right or not? அவனுடைய தேவைக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி ஃபீட் பண்றது. We have about currently பார்த்தா பல கிட்ஸ் பல டேலண்ட் இருக்கு. ரைட் பிளேஸ்ல அப்பாயின்ட் பண்றது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. So many skills they are having it. Right? எங்க கொடுக்கறது யார்ட்ட கொடுத்தா பெட்டரா அத மோல்ட் பண்ணி கொண்டு வருவாங்கங்கிறது எல்லாமே பேரண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ண முடியாது. So to getting that proper guru, ஜெல்லார மாதிரி ஒரு குரு கிடைக்கிறது very biggest விஷயம். Knowledgeable and what? அவனை டெவலப் பண்ற மாதிரி கிடைக்கிறது. Same thing happened to this side also. Getting good student for the faculties. right students for the faculties. Also, we have to do lot of punyas. So many branches of ICA I'm visiting. So many places I'm visiting. So many other academies also visiting. Many places outstation la paakumbodhu person who is many chartered accountant or cost accountant or sila professors, tremendous knowledge are having it. Many business school I'm going also. But unfortunately, they don't have the proper platform. அவங்களுக்கு ரைட்டான ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கிடைக்க மாட்டேங்கிறான். வேரியஸ் அவங்களால ஊரை விட்டு வெளில வர முடியல, ஆர் தட் பர்டிகுலர் பிளேஸ் வந்து தே சப்போஸ் ஸ்டிக் ஆன். கிளியர்? ஸோ பிகாஸ் அதை பார்த்தோன்னா அந்த காலேஜுக்குள்ளேயோ அந்த இதுக்குள்ளேயோ உடனே இருக்கும், அது ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் அகாடமிக்குள்ளேயோ. கிளியர்? அங்கே பார்த்தோன்னா ஒரு கிரீமி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஒரு மெரிட்டோரியஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஒன் பி தேர். அவன் பிலோவோ வெரி வெரி பிலோவா இருக்கு. இவர் நாலேஜுக்கு ஏற்ற ஸ்டூடெண்டா அவர் நாலேஜ் டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ற அளவுக்கு உள்ள பசங்க இல்லை. இஃப் ஹி இஸ் தேர் இன் சம் அதர் பிளேஸ், எங்கேயோ போயிருப்பாரு, அவர் பெரிய ஸ்டார் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டியா இருப்பாரு அப்படின்னு பல இடங்களில் நானே அட்மையர் பண்ணேன். சூப்பர், நீங்களாம் வேற லெவல் சார் அப்படின்ட்டு. அப்ப ரெண்டு சைடுமே வி நீட் டு டு த புண்ணியம். நான் நல்ல புண்ணியம் பண்ணியிருந்தாலும் உங்களை மாதிரி சூப்பர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் எனக்கு கிடைக்க முடியும். யூ ஆர் ரெடி டு ஒபே ஆல் தி சாப்டர்ஸ். ரைட்டிங் டில் டேட் டெஸ்ட் இஸ் நாட் ஈஸி டாஸ்க் அட் ஆல். 14 சாப்டர் இருக்கு, ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 12 சாப்டர் எழுதியிருக்கேன். நோவேர் இட்ஸ் கோயிங் டு ஹேப்பன். மார்க் மை வேர்ட். நோபடி வில் கண்டக்ட் ஆல்சோ. Even I am conducting various places, rather academy போற கண்டக்ட் பண்றேன். How many places they are obeying? முடியாதுன்னா என்ன பண்ண முடியும் சொல்லு? I can faculty. Thereafter, I have to complete my portion also. First test bench, all then yet to question, sir, 8 test bench. சரி போ, அவ்வளவுதான். அடுத்து I have to finish my portion. I have to the other commitment. Clear? நீ ரீசன் என்ன வேணா சொல்லலாம், ரொம்ப திட்ட முடியாது. ஏன்டா ஹரிப்பிரியா என்ன ஒவ்வொரு டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு ஒரு 7 டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு ரீசன் சொல்றேன். ரீசன் சொல்லிட்டு டைம் தான் அகைன் ஃபர்தர் டைம் ஒன்லி கோயிங் டு கெட் வெஸ்டட். ரைட் ஆர் நாட்? இது மாதிரி எல்லா பசங்களும் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காங்க ஒவ்வொரு ரீசன். Ultimately, who is going to be the loser? Okay, we'll finish the portion. அதுவும் கூகுள் டிரைவ் சேல்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா G class இருக்கு இல்லையா? Nowadays they don't want to even attend the first, they don't want to come and attend the physical class இல்லையா? அந்த கல்ச்சர் நிறைய மாறிடுது. Thereafter, they are not ready to sit in the appropriate time, the appointed time. Zoom class இந்த டயத்தில் உட்கார முடியல. They are also held up with the various work other schedules இருக்கு. That's the reason they are purchasing on Google Drive. Google Drive is சூப்பரா இருக்கு. They are buying the certificate, buying the water subject. Even the Google Drive also the first lesson as well as what voice notes கொடுக்கும். Every chapter after completion of that, you have to intimate me. Thereafter, I have to give the one question paper. You have to write the test. 90%, it's a huge number. I'm not joking. 90% of the students are not what obeying the instruction. Now, first time கேட்பேன், second time கேட்பேன், ஒரு வேர்த்து கேட்போம். Once in 2 days, அப்புறம் once in a week, or once in a month. Thereafter, experience அது டைமே முடிஞ்சு போடும். சரி போடான்னு விட்ட வேண்டியதான். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 இதுக்கு ரெப்ளை வரும், எஸ் சார், ஷூர் சார்னு வரும். ஐ எம் ட்ரைங் மை பெஸ்ட் சார் வரும். சார் ஹெல்ட் அப் தர சார் வரும். அதுக்கப்புறம் மெசேஜே வராது. நம்ம ஏதோ ஆஸ் இஃப் ஐ எம் டிஸ்டர்பிங் தட் பர்சன். அப்புறம் லேட்டர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்க they'll buy the test series, they'll pay for that, they'll pay money for that. After one particular point of view, you won't get that free of cost. Right or not? Time முடிஞ்சு போச்சுனாக்க the time in which they are going to realize that time what very costly. அப்போ ரியலைஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க என்ன பண்ணுவோம். ஈவன் டெஸ்ட் சீரிஸ் ஆல்சோ they have to pay. பர்கட் போட்டு சப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு இவன் டெஸ்ட்டுக்கும் பே பண்ணுவோம். Make use of the opportunity. Clear? In the classroom, every chapter you have to write the test. So I feel I have gifted because everybody has obeyed my instructions. Clap for yourself first. Good, good. Keep it up, keep it up. And you are doing joint study also properly, most of them. Good. That you have to continue. Okay? Chapter wise, you have a plan because my plan to complete the portion. Similarly, your plan to what? Come along with the faculty. And you have wrote 3 20%, 20%, 20% consolidated test. You are going to write the last 20% test. Thereafter, you are going to write the 100-mark test also. Understood? Thereafter, you are going to soon we are going to start second innings. After completion of one more topic pending. Thereafter, you will mark one. Okay? Now, all first exam question is going to feed you. That's why I don't want to rush the class. Happy up on Mari. Clear? But ultimately, you have to complete the exam on time. Understood? Extra even 1 week extra class or extra some special class in the but you have to complete. We have to complete the portion, and you also have to come along with the faculty. I'm damn sure whatever the portion, almost 13th portion you are doing. Yeah, last 14th chapter you have to take. Out of 13th portion, 90% you are also completed along with the faculty. Am I right or not? 1 or 2 lags okay, due to various. 90% of the students as well as 90% of the portion you have completed. It won't happen in other place at all. I think you are having lot of self-discipline. For that, I hats off to you, my dears. Keep rocking in the spirit till we are going to complete the examination. Even after completion of the class also, I'm going to have the touch with you only to what two various aspects I'm going to tell. Clear? So we are keep on having the touch with the faculty, keep on obeying the instruction. Clear? I'm not torturing you anything, right? What everything I am providing, your duty, you have to study and you have to write the test. That only I'm telling. மாத்திரத்தில் நீயே ரிசோர்ஸ் கேதர் பண்ணணும், you have to what to study, how to worry, எல்லாமே நீ பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கணும். Everything I'm providing, including MCQ, including theories, everything I'm providing. Your duty, one and only duty, you have to study. நீ இது எல்லாத்தையும் நீ கேதர், பாஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாம் கேதர் பண்ணணும். சஜஸ்ட் ஆன்சர் யூ ஹேவ் டு கேதர். Theory you have to separate எடுக்கணும். MCQ you have to take. How many months you have to spend for gathering the information itself? How much time you have to spend? எல்லாம் ஜூஸ் அவன்கிட்ட கொடுக்குறேன். Your duty, you have to sit and study. அதுக்கு you have to allocate some time. Understand? So same manner you have to come. The remaining part also super முடிக்கிறோம், பாஸ் பண்றோம், மாஸ் காமிக்கிறோம். Deal? Our target minimum 80 is our target. Are you with me? Good.
Yes, sir.
Now, shall we go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Go to problem number 3. Am I right? Third question.
Yes, sir.
Srishti, Padraga.
Labor variance. Question number 3. From the following data relating to A Limited, compute the relevant labor cost variances. Particulars: skilled, semi-skilled, unskilled. Numbering standard gap for 40-hour week: skilled 16, semi-skilled 6, unskilled 3. Standard rate per hour rupees: skilled 3, semi-skilled 2, unskilled 1. Actual number in the gang for 42 hours week: skilled 14, semi-skilled 9, unskilled 2. Actual rate of pay rupees: skilled 4, semi-skilled 3, unskilled 2. In the week, the gang as a whole produced 900 standard hours. However, 4 hours per worker was considered idle time due to machine breakdown.
Go through the question quickly. Please start. Whenever you come across variance analysis, you have to remember the rules to solve the problem. What are the first rule? Rule number 1. Rule number 1 to solve the problem.
Identification of
Identification of variances and draw the
And draw the
respective chart.
expectation.
Respective chart.
what type of variance they are given on the question.
Labor cost variances.
Now we are moving to next variance called labor variance. Start பண்ணலாமா?
Yes, sir.
Uniformly are going to solve the same way only, same strategy only. Listen here. Labor cost variance can be classified into 2 types.
Yeah.
Labor rate variance and labor efficiency variance. Efficiency variance again classified into labor mix variance, labor revised efficiency variance. I'll repeat: cost variance, rate variance, efficiency variance, mix variance, revised efficiency variance. Are you comfortable? Now, formula remains the same. 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4, 4 minus 3, 3 minus 2. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4 represent what? original 1, 2, 3, 4 represent. What are the original 1, 2, 3, 4? Standard quantity into standard price.
Standard price.
Actual quantity.
Actual quantity into actual price.
Actual price.
Actual
Actual
Standard
quantity
quantity
into
into standard
standard
price.
price. Revised actual.
Revised actual
quantity into
standard price.
Then 1, 2, 3, 4, my dears.
Yes, sir.
Now, here small corrections we are going to do. Material means we can incur the cost based on quantity purchase. Labor means you are going to incur the cost based on hours spent.
Hourly basis.
Overhead recovery rate per hour தான் பார்த்துக்கணும். Hourly based only you are going to pay. Therefore, instead of quantity, we have to use the terminology என்ன பண்ணோம்? Therefore, standard hours. Actual hours. Actual hours. Revised
actual hours.
And all quantities are there, you are going to replace with hours. Easier can liya.
Yes, sir.
Uniformly, you can have the one. Standardized manner, you can solve the problem. Next, small technical error. Material means I can say price of the material. Labor means hourly rate only you have to say, not pricing. Clear? Price as well as rate rupees only, but technicality purpose material na price and so no. Labor means hourly rate.
Rate.
Therefore, where and all price are they have to replace with one?
Rate.
Therefore, tiku. So, what is the revised formula? Standard hours into standard rate.
Standard hours
Actual
into
standard rate. Actual hours into standard rate. Revised actual hours into standard rate.
Standard rate.
Okay, allow to repeat பண்ணலாமா? Labor cost variance can be clustered into what and what?
Labor rate variance and the labor
efficient variance.
Efficiency variance again clustered into
Revised efficient variance.
Efficiency
mix
variance.
and labor revised efficiency variance. 1 minus 2.
1 minus 3.
1 minus
1 minus 4.
4 minus 3.
3 minus 2.
1, 2, 3, 4 represent
Standard hours.
Standard hours into standard rate.
Actual hours
Actual hours into actual rate. Actual hours into standard rate. Revised actual hours into standard rate.
1, 2, 3, 4 represent. Repeat.
Standard hours into
standard rate. Actual hours into actual rate.
Actual
Actual hours into standard rate.
Revised
actual hours into standard rate.
So we have to solve the problem for 3 different types of labor. Skilled,
semi-skilled,
unskilled.
skilled, semi-skilled and yourself. Unskilled. Okay, unskilled. Okay. Now, listen here. Actual number of workers available in this question itself. Second part of the answer question. How many number of workers actually worked? Skilled?
14, sir.
14 workers. Semi-skilled?
9.
9, sir.
Unskilled?
2.
This is a number of workers, but we need number of hours. The same level at the beginning of the column, they have how many hours they worked actually in. How many hours they worked in?
42 hours.
Each worker worked for 42 hours. Later, up 14 workers worked for 42 hours. 9 workers worked for 42 hours. 2 workers worked for 42 hours. This is the actual number of hours. 14 into 42, 9 into 42, 2 into 42 is the actual hours. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Srishti, Purida Kanna?
Yes, sir.
Here also actual hours is the third column. 14 into 42. 9 into 42. And 2 into 42. Got it? Next. Actual rate given in this question comes to how much, Kannam?
432.
432.
Actual rate given in this question. 4 rupees. 3 rupees.
2.
Whereas standard rate?
3, 2, 1.
1, sir.
3, 2,
2, 1.
1, sir.
Also standard rate.
3,
3
2.
2, 1.
and
1.
அதுதான் first.
3, 2.
1.
Any doubt with respect to standard rate?
Yes, sir.
We have to compute revised actual cost. Revised actual cost. Revising the actual cost in standard rate is called revised actual cost. Revising the actual cost into standard rate. If you want to revise actual cost, you need actual cost. Actual cost for skilled, semi-skilled, unskilled. 14 into 42 is the actual cost for skilled. 9 into 42 and 2 into 40. Later, an actual cost.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, total actual cost.
1050, sir.
1050. That we have to apportion among skilled, semi-skilled, unskilled. In what proportion? 16 is to
16 is to 6 is to 3.
apportion that ratio.
$672.
672.
252.
126.
126.
672. 252. And 1. Any doubt in revised actual cost?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Christy, Rupa, Preeta, Ganna.
Yes, sir.
No.
Now, we have to find standard cost per king. In this question, we no need to compute standard cost. Standard cost given in this question. The gang as a whole produced standard cost of how many?
900.
900.
900 hours.
900.
900.
That apportion among skilled, semi-skilled. In this question, total standard cost given in this question. Direct just we have to do the apportion. Total gang has able that you have to apportion among skilled, semi-skilled, and unskilled in ratio of 16 is to 6 is to
3.
Five,
576.
260.
First one, 5.
576, sir.
576.
216. 108.
60.
108.
108.
216 and 1.
108.
Right. Right. Okay. Can you please copy this? In addition to that, idle time is there. We'll discuss later. Okay. Up to this stage, are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Idle time alone.
Yes, sir.
First copy பண்ணிக்கோ. புரிஞ்சதா எல்லாருக்கும்?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Complete பண்ணியாச்சா?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to move for idle time. Before that, can you please tell the total, Kana? Others kindly check it out. First column total.
Sir, 2,268.
2268.
Second column,
3,654.
3,000.
654.
Next. Check பண்ணிக்கலாம் total சரியா இருக்கான்னு.
So that one that is not done. Sorry.
2604, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Hmm.
2646.
2646.
Labor cost variance.
1,386 hundred.
Rupees 1,386 adverse. Clear? Efficiency variance.
Rupees 336 adverse.
Revised efficiency variance.
Rupees 378 adverse.
378 edakana.
Yes, sir.
Mix variance.
42 favorable.
42 favorable.
1,050 edakana.
Rupees 1,050 adverse.
Mix alone is favorable. Others are adverse.
Yes, sir.
Rate plus efficiency is equal to cost variance. Tally edutha paru. Mix plus revised efficiency is equal to labor efficiency. Tally dama.
Yes, sir.
Sabari. Answer la vandu takana.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next we have to go for idle time variance. Listen carefully. Whenever you come across idle time, we have to compute idle time variance separately under full attention. Formula for idle time variance is actual idle time into standard rate. Formula for idle time variance is actual idle time into standard rate. That too for skilled, semi-skilled,
Unskilled.
unskilled. Yeah.
Unskilled.
How many hours idle time kanna?
4 hours.
4 hours,
4
sir.
hours.
Appa 14 workers wasted 4 hours. Clear?
Yes, sir.
9 workers
9
wasted
workers.
4 hours. 2
Two
workers
workers. Four.
in actual idle time. Multiply with the standard rate. I think 3 to 1 nama.
3 to 1.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Appo total idle time variance odon check panikku.
248. sir.
Idle time variance always adverse one. Because of idle time, efficiency will get affected. Therefore, efficiency further classified into and the idle time enga park pannundringa we have to park the idle time. Illaya? In the chart. The efficiency have to park. The efficiency further classified into idle time variance, revised sub efficiency variance. The revised efficiency class subclass solrama, the revised sub efficiency variance. Are you with me?
Yes.
Idle time variance, how much you got? 248 adverse. Clear kana? Rupees 248 adverse. Balancing figure is a revised sub efficiency. How much the balancing figure? 336 or 248 petnaka? 88 kana?
88.
88, sir.
Meaning 88 adverse. I'll sum up once again. Listen here carefully. Whenever you come across idle time, we have to compute idle time variance separately. Formula for the idle time variance is actual idle time into standard rate. Always idle time variance adverse only. Because of idle time, efficiency will get affected. So the efficiency variance further classified into idle time variance and revised sub-efficiency variance. That revised sub-efficiency is a balancing. These are all the points you have to remember. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Are you with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Note பண்ணி. Complete பண்ணியாச்சா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Interesting.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Shankar Rama. படிக்கணும்.
Sir.
அடுத்த question படி.
Next. Okay. Variable overhead variance. Question number 4. From the following information pertaining to June, calculate the overhead variances. Budgeted production 300 units, 7,800 rupees. Actuals 250 units, 7,000 rupees variable overheads. Hours work 4,000 hours. Note, standard time for 1 unit is 20 hours. So that's all.
Start பண்ணலாமா?
Yes, sir.
The entire standard costing simplified one topic in our segment is variable overhead variance. The simplest one. And that may be the reason rarely they are asking. Okay. But for your case, combined variance, they will include variance also, variable overhead also. Instead of asking separately, because it's very easy. Combination of all the variance they only fixed overhead, variable overhead, labor and variable. Combined when you compose, they will ask what variable overhead. So you have to remember variable overhead, such a simplest one. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Variable overhead cost variance can be classified into two types. Expenditure variance and efficiency variance. In examination, right? Variable overhead expenditure variance, variable overhead efficiency variance. Always prefix expenditure, variable overhead expenses. Now fixed overhead is also there. You have to mention carefully. Variable overhead expenditure variance, variable overhead efficiency variance. Total variance, there is no subclassification. So problem, the formula 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, 3 minus 2. Same formula. You know, material means you are going to incur the cost based on quantity purchase. Labor means you have to incur the cost based on hours spent. Overhead means you have to incur the cost based on what?
Expense.
Expense. Whenever you come across overhead, you have to remember the steps. What all the steps are there?
Cost is.
Okay, I'll start. Collection. Starting problem. First step.
Classification.
Classification. Allocation. Apportionment. Reapportionment. Recovery.
So collection, classification, allocation, apportionment, reapportionment, recovery. What is called recovery? Recovery rate per hour. What is the formula for recovery rate per hour?
Total overhead
divided by number of hours.
Total overheads of the production department by number of hours. Upper recovery rate per hour only. So overhead you are incurring based on hours only, no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, same formula. Here also standard hours into standard rate. Because this is also overhead also you are going to incur by way of hours only. Standard hours into standard rate. Actual hours into actual rate. Actual hours into standard rate. Easier now?
Standard rate.
Up to this year, comfortable. Total variance. Now, filling the blanks. Actual hours into actual rate represent actual variable overhead incurred. Clear? How much the actual variable overhead incurred?
7,000.
All of you.
7,000 rupees.
7,000.
Actual number of hours worked. How many hours?
4,500. 4,500.
Here also actual hours 4,500.
Yes, sir.
Balance is equal to actual rate. 7,000 by 4,500 is equal to actual rate. Actual rate.
One point
1.55.
1.55. we have to identify standard rate. Formula for standard rate per hour is budgeted overhead divided by budgeted hours. All of you repeat, what is the formula for standard rate per hour?
Budgeted overheads divided by
Budgeted by
budgeted
budgeted hours.
How much the budgeted overhead given in this question?
7,800.
7,800.
7,800.
How much the
Divided by
budgeted,
6,000.
budgeted output is how much?
300 units
To produce
into
one product, how many hours?
20
you need?
hours.
20 hours.
For
20
300 into 20, 6,000 hours is the budget.
6,000 hours.
For 6,000 hours, we have incurred 7,800 rupees. Per hour rate is how much?
1.3.
0.3.
Rupees. 1 rupees 30 paise per hour. 1.3 per hour.
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
repeat once again? Are you comfortable?
Comfortable. sir.
Okay, sir.
1 rupee 30 paise is the standard rate. Here also standard rate is there. 1 rupee 30 paise. Here common mistake. 6,000 போட்டுருவோம் standard hours. Nothing but 300 into 20. But the word standard always ends with
Actual
Actual.
production.
actual production.
7 to
250 units.
250.
250.
To produce one product, you need 20 hours.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't you go? 250 into 20 is called standard. 300 into 20 is called budget.
Budgeted.
Budget is different, standard is different. Yes or no?
Yes.
That's the reason budgetary control separate topic, standard costing separate topic. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because the word standard always ends with the actual production.
Actual production.
Potulama. Easier come. Total for the first column. Total for the first column. நாளைக்கு சொல்றியா?
6,500.
6,500. Second column. Third column.
5,850.
One minus two is equal to ரொம்ப கஷ்டமானது இல்லையா?
500.
500 adverse இல்லையா? Adverse. 1 minus 3 is equal to
650, sir.
650 அப்பா.
ஆமா sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
எவ்வளவு adverse?
Favorable, sir.
Favorable.
Favorable, sir.
Favorable, sir.
3 minus 2 is equal to
3 minus
1,150
Adverse.
adverse, sir.
Adverse.
150
adverse.
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 expenditure plus efficiency is equal to tally எடுத்த பாரு.
Yes, sir.
Adverse minus because favorably 650 subtract பண்ணா balance is equal to tally எடுத்தா.
Ah, yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Copy. అయిపోయిందా? కంప్లీటెడ్ మై డియర్స్?
Yes, sir.
అయిపోయిందా? పూర్తి అయ్యో?
పూర్తి అయ్యి సార్.
ఫినిష్. ఖతం. సృష్టి మంగళం. காஸ்டிங் புரிஞ்சதா எல்லாருக்கும்? ஹாப்பியா?
Standard costing
Yes,
is
sir.
most important, இல்லையா சார்?
என்னமா?
இது கொஞ்சம் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஆன சாப்டர் இல்லையா சார்?
வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். நீ
சார்
பயப்படாத.
ஒரு
டென்ஷன்லயே இருக்கப்பா.
இல்ல சார், எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணா வரும்.
அதான் நம்ம பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ண முடியும் ஃபியூச்சர்ல. பிராக்டிஸ் யாரு? ஹோம்வொர்க் கொஸ்டின் நோட் பண்ணிக்கிறியா? சொல்லு சதீஸ்வர். அதை சொல்ல வந்து உன்ட்டு தான் ஏதோ பேசணும்னு நோட் பண்ணி வச்சு. பையன் பேர் மாத்தி எழுதிட்டோம். ம். Number 596. Page number 567. Five 68. Question number 1. So question number 5. Fifth question is question number 5. Question number 6. Sixth question. சொல்லுங்க சார். ஹலோ. Thirteenth question. And 18th question. அண்டுன்னு சொன்னா ஒரு சந்தோஷம் இருக்குல்ல, அதுக்காக தான். அண்ட் அடிஷனல் அப்பா மனசாந்தியா இல்லடா.
Thank you sir.
Sir, 14th sir சொன்னீங்க கடைசியா?
18th.
8.
18th. Okay.
1